Hey, what's up, you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning my channel. I boarded the Eastman at the Seabrook, New Hampshire, and we are heading for deep sea fishing. Today we are targeting redfish, and the weather is a little bit rainy and a little bit breezy, but hopefully it's going to be getting better, and we have a good time. Look at that. I have a big one. I have a bigger one. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Silent. Come on. Look at that. Come here. Look what I have. Look what I have. Look what I have.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our anchor heading has changed from 30 degrees to 60 degrees, so it blew us off the hump. We'll get situated one more time and get back on these fish.
Oh, what are these? Look at
Get them up,
heavy,
please. We'll just
heavy.
situate.
Huh? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that beautiful. Look at that beautiful. Look at that beautiful. Huh? Ooh, look at mine. Look at this. 我这个完了，这个那么难。Oh, okay, good. Oh, good timing. Good timing. Hey.
You got a video going?
Yeah, I have something like that. So you're going to put back like that. Oh, what a,
Look at him.
look at that. Look at this truck. Too small. Fish marble. 都得，这够了，这够大。That's Saturday. Hey, what's up, you all? Welcome to my kitchen. I caught 105 of the Canadian redfish during the trip. Today I'm going to have some egg from this fish and share with you a recipe how to make a braised fish egg and tofu. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the belly and remove the eggs. Cover the eggs with flour. Now pan-sear the eggs until they are turning golden brown. Tofu also need to be pan-seared. Stir-fry ginger garlic scallion. And have hot pot soup base at this time. Add fish egg. Add cooking wine and 2 cups of hot water. Now add the tofu as well. Add a tablespoon soy sauce, a teaspoon red pepper, and a teaspoon chicken bouillon. Put the lid on and cook for 15 minutes. Transfer the dish to a casserole if you have. Finally, top with some scallion and cilantro. This is the braised fish egg and the tofu I'm talking about. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.